Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to show you this striker kit that I got from Howard there in Vermont. I did a little thank you video about it, but I've yet to start a fire with it. But yeah, he put this together, made these handles, adapted that file for striking the ferro rod here. So pretty cool looking handles. Wormwood or bugwood, but yeah. All right, let's see if we can do this.
I say, look at that guy. I don't think he's going to get it. No, not for sure. I don't think. Oh, what do you think? Ah, he's doing it all wrong.
Oh my goodness, I think I did it. Woohoo! Oh, took a little bit of work there, but I got it going. Hi, Howard. It's my first fire with it. He sent me some changa too, but so I just wanted to try with what I had here. I did have some dryer lint. I thought that'd make it take off, but that didn't quite work out. Woohoo! You gotta have fun. Grumpy old concrete guy, signing out.